And just a thing in general with the market, you want to be looking at the major averages and the leading, leading stocks. And that's same with a follow through day. You want to see the major indexes, and that's the follow through day. But to actually get in, you want to have stocks to buy. And so that's going to be tricky. It doesn't mean that you, as everybody's been saying, don't have to rush in that situation. Want to
You know
take
what?
a look.
Can we just back up real quick? Because
Yeah.
I just saw a question of, what is a follow-through day? And we have to remember that we do have a lot of new folks on here. So just to kind of back up a little bit, when you are in a downtrend and you're obviously in a correction or bear market, we look at what is our signal to get back in. And the signal that we use is a follow-through day. And so, Ed, if you could maybe point out the March 23rd low, what you look for is a rally. So in this case, even though the day was down, we rallied off the lows and ended up in the upper part of the range. So we're considering that day one of our rally. Usually, it's up, but that's day one. And now, no matter how big the day is, we don't get excited about the first day because we know that some of the biggest days, I mean, just look at what we had
Look
here.
at this. Look
Yeah,
at the
exactly.
crash. The crash
Yeah.
had plenty of good days.
So, this is where sometimes, you'll see on the media, oh, the Dow was up, however many thousand points, and, it's almost like everything's fine now. But we don't ever trust the first day. We want to see a confirmation of the strength, and what we look for is we start counting. So the rally day becomes day one, then we say, okay, as long as we stay above that low, we keep on counting. Day two, day three, day four. Day four is the first day that we can look for a follow-through day. And what we're looking for is a day of power. And so with those two components, that's when we say we've got a follow-through day. And if you think about it, again, I like to think of geometry. If you're going to draw a line, an uptrend, you need 2 points. And so your rally day becomes point one, your follow-through day becomes point two to suggest that you are in a potential uptrend again.